9. Types of money plants in Feng Shui. We're often asked about Feng Shui money plants. What are they? Why use them? How do they work? You're in the right place. Read on to learn more about these so-called Feng Shui money plants. We'll teach you why plants are so important in Feng Shui, what are money plants, and how to place them in your home. What is a money plant? The common name money plant, or money tree, is used for dozens of plant species from around the world, which typically have leaves with a coin-like shape. Or, as in the case of Feng Shui practice, some plants have a long symbolic association with wealth and prosperity. These species are often used strategically as indoor house plants to direct Feng Shui energy toward creating financial good fortune. Plants also represent the wood element, which symbolizes growth, flexibility, and kindness. Taking care of another living thing, including a plant, helps you cultivate compassion, and you can watch them grow and thrive. Plants are also a source of healthy, vibrant life and can uplift the energy in your home. Common types of Feng Shui. Money plants. Several kinds of plants are known as money plants in Feng Shui. These plants can be especially helpful in supporting intentions to bring in more wealth and abundance, and for inviting more growth in that area of your life. One of these plants is Pilea peperomioides, also known as the coin plant or Chinese money plant. It has round, shiny leaves that resemble coins. Pilea is a low-maintenance plant and does best with medium light. It is also easy to propagate and share with friends, which can help you to feel even more abundant. When the babies pop up, be sure to share the wealth. Being generous and sharing what you do have is an important factor in welcoming more prosperity. Jade plants, Crassula ovata, sometimes called money trees, are popular houseplants because they are generally easy to care for. They do require a good amount of light to thrive, so make sure you find a sunny spot for your jade plant. Like the Pilea, some types of jade plants have leaves that also look a bit like coins. The slow and steady growth of the jade plant can represent the steady accumulation of wealth. Their succulent leaves resemble the precious jade stone, which is considered lucky and promotes a long life in Feng Shui. A jade plant is toxic to animals. Pachira aquatica is often used as a Feng Shui adjustment to bring prosperity and good fortune. It's also an easy plant to care for. It grows well indoors and can tolerate lower light environments. But watch for yellowing leaves. The stems are often braided, symbolizing interconnectedness and longevity. 3 stems can represent new beginnings, while 5 stems relate to the 5 elements. In addition to the species plant known as golden pothos, several nursery cultivars of Epipremnum aureum also make excellent trailing houseplants, such as neon money plant. Pothos plants like bright indirect light, but not direct sunlight. They don't like to be overly wet and should be allowed to dry out before watering heavily. The long vines of golden pothos are often used to frame the wealth center in the home or to establish boundaries. Golden pothos plants are toxic to animals. Swiss cheese plant is among the many common names used for different species in the Monstera genus. There are several that are known as money plants, including monkey mask money plant, Monsieur Deliciosa, split-leaf money plant, and M. obliqua. Avoid overwatering this plant, as this can lead to yellowed leaves and root rot. In Feng Shui, Monstera plants represent growth, upward energy, and abundance. They are often placed in or around the home's wealth center. This plant is toxic to animals. Silver satin is Syndapsus pictus, also known as silver satin pothos, or silver money plant is a climbing vine with silvery patterns on its green leaves. This popular indoor plant prefers bright shade and can be allowed to dry out between waterings. Fertilize monthly during the spring and summer growing seasons. In Feng Shui, this plant is thought to repel negative energy while fostering good energy. Vine is silver dollar. Vine is a climber with small succulent leaves. It is believed to bring prosperity and wealth to a household. It thrives in somewhat arid conditions and is well suited to growing in sunny windows. Several plants are known generically as silver dollar vine, but Xerosychios dangia is not listed specifically with the ASPCA as toxic to animals. Lucky bamboo is a common name applied to Dracaena sanderiana. It is not a bamboo at all, but rather a perennial herb. The stems resemble bamboo, though they are fleshy rather than hollow. Lucky bamboo has a reputation for encouraging prosperity and good fortune in Feng Shui practice. The plant is nearly indestructible as long as you grow it in indirect sunlight and hydrate it with only distilled or pure spring water. All Dracaena are toxic to pets. Golden queen, also called marble queen, Epipremnum aureum marble queen, is a variegated pothos with white and cream leaves that create a marbling effect. Golden queen is associated with prosperity and abundance. In Feng Shui practices, this plant requires bright but indirect light to maintain the marbling. This plant is toxic to animals. Best locations for money plants. When deciding where to put your money plant, make sure you're familiar with the needs of that plant so you can find a place in your home where it will thrive. An unhealthy plant in the most auspicious location is still an unhealthy plant and will not be a source of fresh and vibrant Kai. Office or workspace, it can be beneficial to locate a money plant in your office or workspace to invite prosperity and financial abundance into your career. You can even place it on your desk as a visual reminder of the wealth you are inviting in. Bedroom money plants are also good additions to a bedroom. Your bedroom represents you, so any Feng Shui adjustments you make here have the potential to be very impactful in your personal life. Plants are also great for improving indoor air quality, which can be very beneficial in the bedroom since that is where we go to rest and be rejuvenated. Wealth corner. You can also find the wealth corner of your home and place your money plant there. To find the wealth corner, imagine a 3x3 grid, like a tic-tac-toe board, laid over your home. Stand at your front door and find the farthest corner of the grid on your left-hand side. That's your wealth area. You can also find the wealth area of your bedroom or office in the same way. Stand in the doorway of the room facing into the space and find the far left corner. Thanks for watching this video.